What's up, Kia Too Technical? I'm back again with another video, and today we're just going to go over the camera settings on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So all you need to do is just go locate your camera app. Once you locate your camera app, you want to tap on these little four dots here. Once you do that, then you want to hit on settings. Once you do that, you are greeted with scan documents and text. So this is a nice feature to where it'll allow you to scan documents and text off of papers and other files. So you also get access to having the QR code scanner, so you could just bring your phone to a QR code and just scan it just like that. You get your shot suggestions. You get intelligent options. So if you click in that, it says quality of optimization. So I currently have mine set to max because I want the quality to look real good. So I have it on max, and then I have scan optimizer is also connected. Then when we come down here to swipe shutter button 2, you can come in here and click this if that's something you're into. So it says choose what happens when you swipe the shutter button down and hold in photo mode. So I just pretty much have it to take a burst shot, just quick and easy access to doing what I needed to do. We also have watermark, so you know what that is. That just lets you know that this phone was that this picture was taken with Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. If that's something you want to cut on, I will cut that on when I'm trying to do like a photo test against this phone and another phone. That is the only time I would use the watermark logo. Then you also get advanced picture options. So it has high efficiency pictures. So it says save space by capturing photo mode pictures in high efficiency images format. Some apps and websites don't support high efficiency pictures. I currently have that cut off at the moment, but let's just go on and check it on. Why not have my photos take better quality photos? You get pro picture mode format. So I currently just have it set to JPEG format. If you do RAW, that will just consume a tad bit more of your battery, but it just says select with format to save pro mode pictures in no color tone adjustments or apply to raw pictures. And then you also get motion photo capture. So this is to where it'll detect motion. So I have mine set to before and after shutter. Then you also get selfies. So you get saved selfies as previewed. I have that checked off. You get swipe up and down to switch cameras. So I currently have that checked. That's just swipe it up and down to switch between your front facing camera and your rear facing camera. You also get video, so you get audio FPS. I currently have mine set to use for 30 FPS and 60 FPS videos. So it pretty much just says record brighter videos in low light conditions by automatically optimizing the frame rate in video mode. You also get video stabilization, so I always like to keep that on because I do want my photos and videos to be as stable as possible. Then you also get advanced photo options. So I currently have mine set to HEVC high efficiency, but you also can have H.264 most compatible. And then you also get high bitrate videos. So it pretty much says increase the bitrate of videos recording in video and pro video modes. High bitrate videos are usually larger than normal videos, and that can kind of eat up some of your battery. So I'm not going to check that right now, but you can if you want to. Then you also get the HDR feature. So it just says capture a wider range of color and contrast by recording in 10-bit HDR which is compatible with most apps and devices. So I tend to use that and leave that check. And this next feature is the feature that a lot of tech YouTubers and photo people are really liking, that Samsung has now, that it hasn't had. So now we have access to log. So this is video in pro video mode. So I currently have that checked. Then you get audio, so you can zoom in your mic. It says match the mic zoom to the camera zoom while recording in video mode. You get 360 audio recording, capture immersive 3D sound through your Bluetooth headphones with 360 audio recording. You get audio playback, which is allow music and other audio to play while you record. Playback will pause when using 360 audio recording or Bluetooth mic. I currently have that not connected because I don't care about that really. So then we go down to general. So we have tracking audio focus. So I currently have that cut on, and that's something that I want to leave on so it can track, you know, the camera focused. Then you have guides. You can cut those on or off if you want to. I currently have that off. You have location tags. I currently have that off as well. So now you come down to your shooting methods. It says you can press the volume button to take pictures or record video. It says voice commands. So pretty much that just lets you say cheese, or it says smile or capture or shoot. That way you can easily take a photo with being hands-free. You also get the floating shutter button. Take pictures with an extra shutter button. You can move anywhere on the screen. I don't need that. And then it says show palm. So pretty much if you just show your palm, then it will snap a picture, or show your palm and it will snap a picture. So that is a nice feature and a nice setting to have. So now let's go into settings to keep. So you have camera modes. It says start camera in the last used mode, such as video, instead of always starting in the photo mode. It says selfie angle. So it says keep the angle you last used for the front camera. The camera will no longer switch between normal and wide angle based on the number of people in the selfie. High picture resolution, keep 50 and 2 megapixel resolution applied instead of switching to the default resolution when you close camera. Filters, keep the filters you've applied to each mode instead of removing them when you close camera. Super steady. So this says if super steady is on in video mode, keep it on instead of turning it off when you close your camera. Then you have portrait zoom. So I currently have that checked. So it just says keep the zoom you last used for rear camera portrait mode instead of always starting in the default zoom. And then it says exposure, keep the exposure setting you last used instead of resetting it when you close your camera. So now we have shutter sound. So pretty much when you take a picture that will make a sound, you get vibration feedbacks. You also get camera assistance. So within this is some different kind of settings also. So the first one you get is your zoom. So it says select the extra zoom shortcuts to show in camera. So I have 2x checked, 10x checked, and you can also do 100x, but I wouldn't recommend 100x because I don't think it's going to look that good, but that's just me. I have auto HDR on. It just says it blends the best parts of multiple exposures into a single picture with improved color and detail. Picture softening, I currently have that off. You get auto lens switching. I currently have that on. It just says let the camera pick the best lens based on the zoom, lighting, and distance to the subject. distortion correction. So it says it automatically fix bowing or bending lens caused by lens and perspective distortion. And then you also get advanced resolution options. So if you go in here and click on these options, you have adapted pixels, which I currently have that checked. And then you have upscale digital zoom, which I currently have that unchecked. And then you also get auto lens switching. Well, we already did that, my bad. Then you get quick tap shutter. So if you touch your screen, if you tap your screen quickly, it will quickly take a photo. You get portrait focus over speed. You get video recording in photo mode. I currently have that checked. You get time multiple photo options. I have it to one picture. You get DOF adapter corrections. You get HDR 10 plus. So I'm gonna cut that on. You get auto monitoring. You get save videos to external storage. You get camera timeout. You get your dim screen while recording. Clean preview on HDMI displays. You get you get your permission. So if you come in here, this will just allow you to check whatever you want your camera to have permissions to, whether it be your mic, location, so on and so on. And then you can also do reset settings, or you can come in here and do about phone, about camera. But I hope you found this little video helpful. I just wanted to run down some of the settings for the camera app on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. I will catch you in the next video. I'm out.